Brittany, how are you?
I'm all right. How are you?
All right,
well.
get your right foot on the brake for me. There you go. I'm going to get you a little bit closer. How about vision-wise? Can you see? Up a little higher?
Yeah, just a little bit.
How'd that?
That's good.
Good? Let's get your hands at 3 and 9 for me, just right in those little slots. How'd that feel?
Good.
How about your head? Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Here's your seatbelt. Listen to camp. He's your instructor. Have fun out there, guys.
Thank you.
Do you have any restrictions with your right foot because you're limping?
No, it's just the left knee.
Oh, okay. I wanted to ask. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Miss Lindsay, are you excited?
I did a ride along before and he damn near gave me a panic attack. So I'm extremely nervous and anxious.
Okay.
So.
Yep, no worries. Well, you got your foot on the brake. Yep, it'll pull us into drive here. Before we go out there, I'm going to go over just a couple things that you went over in the classroom.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a quiz, though. Double yellows, what do those mean? Double yellow cones.
Come on, lift off the brake.
Lift off the throttle. You got it. I'll give you half a point.
Sorry, I'm just all over the place.
No, you're good. You're good. I give this quiz to everybody, so no worries. That's the lift off the throttle. And so I'm going to make a hand motion like this, and I'll verbalize everything. You can hear me, right? Through your headphones. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to tell you to lift off the throttle. The red cones mean
brake.
Brake. You got it. Yeah, I'm going to make a fist like this and brake. And if I start shaking my fist, brake, 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 I mean really, really brake. And then the orange cones are directional cones.
Okay.
So I'm going to go right to left or left to right, my side, your side, my side. Give me a thumbs up here. We're going to keep the car 3 feet off the edge of the track at all times. That's the most important thing. And if we are to pass anybody or get passed, I'm going to put my hand on the wheel.
Okay.
Not that you're doing anything wrong. It's just something I have to do. Go ahead and turn right. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. We're going to file in behind that Lamborghini over there. Yeah, it's just protocol. I have to put my hand on the steering wheel. It's not a big deal. It's just something I have to do. And then I'll kind of guide and direct you from there, okay?
Okay.
Other than that, it's pretty simple stuff. It's just like driving on the road, just a little bit faster if you want to.
Okay.
And so, that's really it. Where are you from?
Matthews, Virginia.
Matthews, Virginia, okay.
2 hours.
North, south, east, west?
South.
South.
On the coast.
On the coast?
You
Okay.
can't go no further unless you plan on going in the bay.
No, I have a couple friends that live over in Chesapeake area. But,
my other half is from there. His parents live there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm over in Lynchburg.
Oh, okay. I've been to Lynchburg quite a few times.
Yeah, I'm in school at Liberty there.
Oh, nice.
So I got to pop up here for the weekend.
There you go.
Hang out with you awesome people. So.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So do you race yourself?
I do. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I've been racing professionally for about 3 years now.
Oh, nice.
And so I've been doing stuff with Extreme for a couple events now, and I really love it. This is a great program. So I enjoy just getting to come out here and spend some time and teaching people where I can. And,
there you go. What do you race?
Endurance, so 24 hours, 12 hours, stuff like that. I say that, but it's not like I'm in the car.
Right.
It's like 3-4 hours in the car, maybe.
Okay.
So it's not as bad, but no air conditioning, so it gets a little bit hot.
Oh, I can imagine.
That's the only thing I really have to prepare for is the heat. Other than that, it's not too bad. It's just fun. You know, when your job is to do this, it's not too bad.
I gotcha. How old are you?
21.
Oh, you're young.
I just turned 21. Yeah.
How did you get into endurance racing?
When I was 17, I started a Facebook group.
Oh, okay.
And so from there, I kind of got on with a team and some amateur level stuff. It happened to just work out. I won a couple races off the bat, and so it was just kind of off from there.
There you go.
And so, yeah, but it's a good job. It's a lot of fun just to, I never have to grow up now. So
Hey.
I'm here for it.
They
What about-
always say the toys, you never get rid of the toys. They only get bigger.
Yep, exactly. So what do you guys do? I've seen that maybe on your other half's shirt.
Oh, we just love cars. We have a YouTube channel and a
Nice.
TikTok, and right now, his car, he has it's a 95 Honda Civic that we
Whoa.
cut up part of it. It's getting a cage put on it right now.
Nice.
It's going to be a rear-wheel drive,
Oh.
mid-engine Exo Civic, and it's gonna look similar to like a Civic pickup truck.
Interesting.
For drag racing, like 7.0
Cool.
class type stuff.
You know, they did drag racing here the other night on this straight right here.
Really?
Mhm.
Huh.
Yeah, they did. That was my dad. That was the first car that I ever have memories in. Was an old Civic Si Coupe.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's the first car that I remember being in. So the Civics have a place in my heart for sure.
Oh yes.
They're great cars. They're
They
a ton
are.
of fun.
Hondas are definitely great. We have 4 Hondas between both of
Nice.
us.
So yeah, as we pull up here, there's just going to be these blue cones. We're going to wait at those blue cones. They're
Okay.
going out, but we're just kind of create some space between us and them. The lead car is really fast, and so they're going to create space between them, but we're going to create space so we don't catch them too quickly.
Okay.
All right, now you can start rolling out here. We're going to stay towards the left-hand side of the track just to make sure we don't have any stragglers on the track still. But as we roll out here, I want you to test those brakes for me. Give me a solid, firm bite on them. Boom. All right. Yeah, we'll keep going. I like that. Good. Good, good, good. All right, we're going to work orange to green over on your side here. You can start rolling on that power here. So this is my rolling hand motion. This means you can gently get in that throttle if you'd like to. And we'll come back over towards my side of the track. And at these double yellows, these are our lift cones. And give me a good, firm brake. Fantastic. Come off the brake pedal. We'll work orange to green. Stay towards the middle of the track and you can start rolling on that power a little. Look for those orange cones all the way down through the corner. I know it's far, but if you look that way, that's where you're going to go. If you see these red cones right here, this is where we normally would give me just a little bit of brake. But we're going to work up towards your side. We're going to work orange to green down this direction. As we start rolling back on that power, we're going to come over to your side of the track there, grab just a dab of the brake, then come on off the brake. We're going to work orange to green over on my side as we roll back in that power. Look for the red cone all the way through the corner. Right there is where we would grab just a tiny bit of brake, staying up towards your side of the track. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. And now bring it down to my side of the track. As you start rolling in that power a little bit, looking for the red cones all the way down the straight here, you can give it a little bit of power. And right here is when we would get in the brakes and then come off the brakes and work orange to green over here. Coming back over towards my side of the track, you can start rolling in the power, working orange to green over to your side of the track. Then we'll start fading out towards my side of the track over here. Then we're going to cut it right back down to your side over at the green cone. You can start rolling in the power right here. Those are the double yellows. We would normally lift, but we're going to maintain our throttle coming into this corner. We're going to work orange to green. These are our S's. And so we're going to go to the green cone over here. And then we're going to look for the green cone. Stay to the right-hand side of the track. We do have a Corvette behind us that I'm going to let pass. So just stay towards the right-hand side of the track. Fantastic. All right. Going to hit the brakes just a little bit here. Coming off the brake, we're going to work orange to green. Stay off the power. This is a little bit deceptive. Rolling in that power a little bit. Roll it. And we're going to lift. A little bit of brake. Coming off the brake, we're going to work orange to green. And as soon as that wheel starts to open up, you can give it as much power as you like down the straight. Come off the brakes. Go orange to green over on your side. Now you can start rolling that power back on a little bit. Coming back over towards my side. Looking for those double yellows and lift. Fantastic. A little bit of brake. Off the brake. Orange to green. Looking for the green cones. Looking all the way through the corner. Rolling. Looking for the red cones down in this corner here. Fantastic. All right, staying up towards your side of the track, a little bit of brake. Coming off the brake, orange to green over here, rolling back on the power, coming back over to your side of the track. Getting just a hint of the brake there, coming off the brake, working orange to green, rolling on that throttle a little bit. Looking for the red cone all the way through the corner. Little bit of brake right here, staying up towards your side of the track. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. Now bring it down. Fantastic, good work. Now you can start rolling that power, and as soon as that wheel gets open, give it some throttle there, and then give it a little bit of brake here, brake, 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 brake. Come off the brake now, we're gonna work orange to green over on your side. Now you can start rolling it. Come back to my side, work orange to green down on your side. Now start drifting out towards my side, and we're gonna cut it straight back down to your side. You can roll that power, maintain that throttle right there. Just hold it right there. You got it. Now we're gonna work orange to green over on your side. Rolling. Now you can pick up the throttle just a little bit right here. Looking for the green cone through the corner, then there's those double yellows. Give it some power here. Yep, fantastic. Lifting off, braking. Notifying that we're behind them. Coming off the brake, let it roll, orange to green. They're going to let us pass here. So go ahead and go through this little spot here. Fantastic. Lifting off and brake. Come off the brake, working orange to green. You can start rolling that power, and as soon as that wheel opens up, you can hit it. Still feeling good?
Yeah.
You liking it? This is a pretty quick car.
Yeah.
You handle it pretty well. Good. Lift off. Brake. And off the brake, orange to green. Now you can start rolling back in that power. You said you were nervous. I don't know what you're talking about. Come back over to my side here. This is where we're going to lift and brake. Come off the brake. We're going to work orange to green. Yep, looking for the green cone all the way through. Now finding the orange cone all the way down into the next corner. You can start rolling that power a little bit. Coming back to your side of the track, give it just a little bit of brake. Come off the brake. Orange to green. Turn it down in there. Fantastic. Roll on that power. Come back over to your side of the track. Dab on the brakes. Now come off. Orange to green. You can roll that power. Find that red cone all the way through. Dab on the brakes there. Staying up towards your side of the track. Now bring it down. Fantastic. Roll that power. Roll it, 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 roll it. There you go. A little bit of brake. Brake, 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 brake. Off the brake. Orange to green. Fantastic. Roll the power. Roll the power. Stay up towards my side. Now bring it down to your side. Fading out towards my side. We're going to cut it right back down to yours. Roll the power. Roll the power. Roll the power. Roll the power. Hold it right there. Just hold it right there. We're going to work orange to green. Fantastic. Back over to my side. Looking for the double yellows all the way through. You can give it as much power as you like now. Lift. Brake. Off the brake. Orange to green. Let it roll. Let it roll. Let it roll. Let it roll. Now get back into power. Lift. Brake. Fantastic. Off the brake. Work orange to green. Roll that power a little bit. And we're going to take it between those blue cones right there. Stay to the left side of the track. What'd you think?
It was fun.
Yeah, that's pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty quick.
It is.
Yeah, we'll go between these double blue cones right there. You have a good time?
I did. A lot better than the ride along.
It's nicer when you can kind of control it, huh?
Yes. Thank you.
Did you get it going faster than you thought you would?
Yeah,
Yeah? You glad you did?
I did. I am.
Good. Good.